Hi, welcome to my 15th lecture. Here in this lecture we see area of continuous time signals. So before learning energy and power signal, we need to look into the area of continuous time signals. Let us see this example 1. So here area we need to find minus infinity to plus infinity. So area we know formula minus infinity to plus infinity x of t dt. So for finding area, we'll use integration, right? Okay. From minus infinity to plus infinity, complete area we need to find out. Yeah. Or if you know known signal, directly area also we can calculate. See here. This is triangle signal, right? What is the triangle formula for finding area? 1 by 2. What is the length? 2 and B is 2. Total 2. Go with this formula. Area equal to minus infinity to 0 is 0 dt, right? Here minus infinity to 0 is 0 is there, right? And 0 to 2 we have a t signal, t dt, plus, and 2 to plus infinity we have a 0 dt. Here with three signals we have, right? X of t is 0 for t less than 0, and t for 0 less than t less than 2, and 0 for t greater than 2, right? So same I have taken here. So area, this 0 only, this is t square by 2 and limits 0 to 2, plus this is 0, and what about this one? 1 by 2, 4, right? Into 4, right? 2. So let us find area of the signal. Here x of t is 0 for t less than minus 2, and this is minus t for minus 2 less than t or less than or equal to 0, right? And t for 0 less than or t less than or equal to 2, and 0 for t greater than 2. And x of t signal is this one. So let us find area of this signal. Area we need to find minus infinity to plus infinity. So minus infinity to minus 2 we have a signal 0 dt, plus minus 2 to 0 we have a signal minus t dt, plus, and 0 to 2 we have a t dt, plus 2 to infinity 0 dt. So area equal to, this is 0, this is minus t square by 2, limit 0 minus 2 to 0, plus this is also t square by 2, 0 to 2, right? So minus 1 by 2, 0 minus 4, plus 1 by 2, 4 minus 0. So this is 2 plus 2 equal to 4. See, directly also we can calculate. Here this area is 2 and two signals are there, right? This side, right? This become a 4. Let us see this example. So area, we know formula minus infinity to plus infinity x of t dt. Here whatever the positive area is get cancelled by negative area. So let us see what of x of t signal. 0 for t less than minus 2, and t minus 2 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 2, and 0 for t greater than 2, right? So here area minus infinity to 0 is 0 dt, plus minus 2 to 2 t dt, plus 0 to plus infinity 0 dt. So area equal to, this is 0, this is t square by 2, minus 2 to 2, and 0. So area 1 by 2 4 minus 4 equal to 0. See, area is getting cancelled. Positive amplitude area get cancelled with negative amplitude area. Let us see example 4. Let us find directly area in this. See, this is negative side area. We'll keep negative area. So 2 into 1, 2 plus here 2 into 2, 4, right? So total area is 2. Go with formula. Area equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of t dt, right? So here x of t signal what we have? X of t is 0 for t less than minus 2 and minus 1 for minus 2 less than t less than 0 and 2 for 0 less than t less than 2 and this is 0 for t greater than 2, right? So area equal to minus infinity to 0 is 0 dt plus minus 2 to 0 minus 1 dt plus 0 to 2 dt plus 0 to infinity 0 dt. So here this is minus t will get minus 2 to 0 plus here 2 t we are getting 0 to 2 minus of minus 2, this become plus and this is 2 minus 0, right? So this is minus 2 plus 4 equal to 2. So let us see example 6. What about area of this one? This is u of t signal. See, u of t is square kind of signal, right? So width into height, if you consider, what is the width of this one? Here completely zero signal. This is infinite, right? Infinity into height 1. So infinity 1, right? So or this x of t signal has given 0 for t less than 0 and 1 for t greater than or equal to 0, right? So area minus infinity to plus infinity x of t dt. So minus infinity to 0 is 0 dt plus 0 to plus infinity is 1 dt. So this is 0, this is 1, t will get 0 to infinity and infinity minus 0 infinity.